Yes, so my people, Victor Isibor once again. I want to use this opportunity to thank everybody who's been supporting this YouTube channel. You have been criticizing me. Thank you. You have been praising me. Thank you. I want to thank you. Criticizing me is even better than not saying anything. Okay. Thank you very much for your criticism. There's a bit of bad news. 2 months ago, I reviewed Mtfe and I expressed my concerns about the modus operandi. And a few days ago, I made another video when I saw a Binance feed post saying that they have collapsed. I made a post about it. I'm always very sad when people lose money to these platforms. It's always a very sad thing for me. So quick update is that a lot of people have their accounts in deficit. Okay, let me show you how people have their accounts in deficit. Okay, see this particular user. His account is in deficit, minus, when you log into your account and you cannot find your original balance, instead you are seeing that you are owing. Apart from the fact that your money is gone, you are in debt as well. Okay, minus 2,045. Okay, very quickly, this particular post says $1 billion was potentially lost to Mtfe. This number is unconfirmed, but what I can tell you is that somebody commented on one of my videos saying that he lost $2 million to Mtfe. Now, my contact, gave me an insight to what is potentially happening with Mtfe, why people have their accounts in deficit. Now, I'll play that audio. Let's listen to it. Maybe we would have clarity as per what happened, why people's accounts were in deficit. Okay?
How could you trade? Some people. Okay, this is it. The negative balance. Yesterday when they trade, they automatically switch off everybody's AI. Do you understand? Because some people are not even making use of their AI. Some people are trading on their platform manually. So what they did is this. Day before yesterday, they automatically switch off everybody AI. Do you understand? So if you try to switch it on, automatically it went back off. Do you understand? So now, without anybody noticing, everyone AI was turned on, including people that were not even using their AI to trade. Everybody's AI was turned on. And then they carried out a trade and decided to liquidate everybody. Sure, you understand? So now that they have liquidated everybody, a lot of people were having negative balance. A lot of people, they did not even liquidate everyone. Everyone was also having negative balance. So this morning, yesterday we saw that everyone was having negative balance. We even thought that it was a glitch. But this morning, when I log into the app, I saw a notification that there was, I will send you the screenshot of the notification though. There was this, there was that, the market did this, the market did that. And as such, everyone should top up the negative balance they are having within 24 hours in order to continue enjoying the trading, whatever they are doing. Do you understand? And I quickly inform everyone in my team that, well, this is a deliberate scam. Nobody should top up. How could you trade? You are the one that carried out the trade and you are telling us to top up.
All right, guys. Now you have seen it here in their official post. They are saying if your account's assets are in negative, please make up the balance within 24 hours. Let me counterpunch this one very quickly. History repeats itself with all these schemes. Okay? Now, let me tell you the concept of new money. A Ponzi scheme only survives on new money. The wheels of a Ponzi scheme needs the oil of new money to survive. Now, new money can come from two sets of people. New people, which is better. That's why they pay you referral bonus. New people. If new people are no longer coming in, recruitment has slowed down, then they will look for that new money from old people. From old people. Now, let me analyze this particular account that is in deficit now. Now, this particular person, let's say their assets initially was $1,500. Now, according to my contact, behind your back, they switched on their bot. Why? To liquidate you. Now, they liquidated this $1,500 to zero. Zero. And they did not stop there. They did not stop there. The account went into negative. Negative to how much? To $2,045.94. So now, they are claiming that you are now owing them $2,045.95. If you want to continue to use our bot, pay off your debt. A debt that you are owing them without your permission. A debt that they put on you by force debt that you are owing them. Come and pay it before you continue to use the bot. This is what they call second billing. When a scammer scams you the first time and you fell too cheaply, they'll be like, that was easy. Wow, that was easy. They'll give you second billing to see whether you will fall again. Now, I am always on the campaign of let us leave Ponzi schemes. Let us leave them. How can we leave Ponzi schemes? How? We should be ready to work. We should be ready to learn. After learning, we will earn. But impatience will not make us leave the Ponzi. They know that you are impatient. They know that you are lazy and impatient. A very terrible combination. The Bible book of Proverbs chapter 9 verse 17, it says that stolen water is what? Sweet. And bread eaten in secret is pleasant. You can remove that water and you can remove that bread and put anything. You can say stolen kiss is sweet. And kiss that you kiss in secret is pleasant. You know your wife that you are legally married to, or your husband that you are legally married to, you can kiss him in public. Nobody will query you. Most people will think that is not sweet. After all, it's my own now. It's something that is in the public domain. It's not sweet. Let me try to be smart. Let me try to be James Bond. But you see that your maid that they brought for you from the village that helps you with household chores, the moment your wife leaves for work and you are alone with that maid, you will secretly kiss her and you will think in your head that that kiss is sweeter than kissing your wife. You see that meat that they gave to you when they serve you food when you were a child. That meat, you don't think that meat is as sweet as the one that you wake up in the middle of the night. You sneak into the kitchen, you open the pot, then you dip your hand inside the stew, then you now eat it, then you now lick your finger. That one, in your mind, is sweeter than the one that they gave to you legitimately. That is why platforms that are fraudulent and Ponzi-like in nature, people think it is sweeter than legitimate platform where you will have to learn, apply, make mistakes, get better with time, then start making consistent money. Everybody just want to dump money on a website and be expecting returns every now and then. They feel that is sweeter. But the end thereof, because there's a way that seemeth right unto a man, the end thereof is what? Is this thing that you are seeing now. Okay? I have always talked about non-custodial platform. Don't give your money to anybody. Don't give your money to anybody. But people will say, even in non-custodial platform, you can lose money. Yes, when you lose money, you know that you lost money legitimately. You were not robbed. You were not fooled. You are not a MAGA. Your money was not stolen. Instead of somebody to steal my 1,000, I would prefer to go and dash somebody 5,000. It will not pain me. If I deliberately give somebody 5,000, it's better than when somebody steals my 1,000. Okay? So guys, look in the description of this video if you want something non-custodial, where your trading capital sits pretty in your exchange. Then you will learn a few things, start applying it, then you start multiplying your money in your pocket without giving it to nobody. And nobody is going to come and give you one nonsensical story tomorrow. Okay? I'll keep my ears open to whatever that is happening with MTFE. My heart goes out, my condolence to everybody who's lost money in MTFE, because this is looking like one of the biggest scams in terms of the money that was lost, in the history of this country. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. Smash the like button, share this video within your social media community, and of course, please subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Let me see your counterpunch in the comment section below. I remain Victor Isibor. I'm out.